Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about this Bitcoin miner, which is being very soon will be listed on NASDAQ. Now there is a certain amount of cheer about this particular news, especially for the crypto investors for us. And I'll tell you the reasons why. So let's try and look at what is this company? This company is Core Scientific. So we will first know about this particular company. Then we'll know about the deal that is being struck for it to be listed on the NASDAQ. So it's entering Wall Street. And then we will look at what implications that has on investors like us, crypto investors. So we'll talk about all of that in this video. So before we jump right in, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos, and also please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my from my videos and from the work that I do. So without further ado, let's dive in. So let's look at what is this company all about. Core Scientific. So Core Scientific is one of the largest providers of blockchain infrastructure and hosting. It is also the largest digital asset miners in Northern America. So the SPACs of Bitcoin mining companies are another way to bet on the crypto craze with a slightly longer term time horizon than speculating on the currencies themselves. So let me tell you, the deal is a SPAC deal. Now I'll tell you more about this deal in the next slide. So this is just for your knowledge at this point in time. Core Scientific primarily means Bitcoin. So that's the reason why it is super important. Bitcoin is in the limelight. So far in 2021, this company, Core Scientific, has minted more than 3,000 Bitcoins. Core Scientific has generated over 60 million in revenue last year and anticipates nearly 500 million in 2021. Core Scientific is adding capacity at its existing sites and is looking to build more facilities, so data centers, in potentially one or two more states beyond North Dakota, North Carolina, Georgia, and Kentucky. So they are already present in these 4 states, and they are expanding. They will have at least they'll enter at least 2 more states in the U.S. By the end of 2022, Core Scientific will be operating over 300,000 miners across their AI-powered program to optimize mining across the various Bitcoin derivatives in order to reap the greatest return in that moment in time in the network. So that is the premise. That is what it is aspiring for the coming year, 2022. And that's a big leverage that it will have once it's able to do that, because that will give the miners to optimize and also have the greatest return at that point, at that moment in time in that particular network. So the miners benefit, the overall industry benefits, because in the past Core Scientific has been under the scanner primarily because of the amount of energy that it was using, its miners were using to mine Bitcoin especially. So now let's look at the deal, the SPAC deal. So the SPAC deal is being worked out through a merger with a company called Power and Digital Infrastructure Acquisition Corp. Obviously, someone has to take the company in, it's merged with that company to be able to promise that SPAC deal, and there is a promised amount. It's the value is going to be about $4.3 billion. Rival Bitcoin miners Riot Blockchain and Marathon Digital have market capitalizations of 2.18 billion and 2.25 billion respectively. So it's topping that. Core Scientific is topping the market cap of these two rival miners if this SPAC deal goes through. Core Scientific, backed by more than 70 blockchain and infrastructure-related patents and applications. So again, a big plus for Core Scientific. So the last one, Core Scientific plans to funnel 300 million of net cash proceeds back into the company in order to fund the growth. So they're going to use that money to fund this particular growth in the entry into two different states in the U.S. and also encourage more and more infrastructure miners to mine, reducing the energy utilization and making it more profitable for the miners to mine on their platform. So they are showcasing great promise for not just the industry, but also the miners and hence the investors. So in the next slide, now we'll look at what is it for the investors. So first, SPACs will be more common in the crypto world. So it's a no-brainer. The moment this SPAC deal goes through, this will be one of its kind in the crypto market, and hence it's going to be leading the way. There will be more SPAC deals coming through in the crypto world. SPAC approved by SEC will pave the way to legalization of digital currencies, including cryptos, because it will obviously has to be approved by SEC, and hence in the future, cryptocurrencies and the digital currencies will be more legitimized. So digital currencies, especially those which come from various countries. Now, every country is looking at having their own digital currency. China, India, US, all of them. SEC approval will also mean more stringent regulations and oversight, which is very, very obvious. SPACs will mean greater acceptance of crypto and related business, primarily because those companies will merge with an existing non-crypto company, unless we see a SPAC with a crypto, with one crypto and another crypto in the future. So obviously, the acceptance level of cryptos and the related businesses will actually grow and will, like I said, will be more legitimized in the future. And the last point would be real long-term crypto investors should cheer, because it's great news for the real crypto investors, those who are really there for the long term, not the ones which are fly-by-night who want to make some money in a matter of few hours and then leave the market completely. So these are the implications, or what the crypto investors should know from this the Core Scientific SPAC deal. So I hope this makes sense to you. As a summary, I would really say that you should look out for this space, because I do see many more SPAC deals coming our way in the crypto world. And obviously, as I've mentioned many times, there will be more regulations to come in, and there will also be, it'll be a good sign for all us investors. So I hope this is useful to you. I would also request you to take a look at the video that I did on, what are the aspects that you should look at before you invest in cryptocurrencies. I mentioned 5 aspects. I'll put that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. And if you are new to the crypto world, please also reach out to me. And we can help you in building your crypto portfolio, investment portfolio. So as you know, I have a free ebook, an ebook on my journey as an entrepreneur. The book is titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. It talks about the time when I quit my six-figure corporate job back in 2010 and the challenges I faced when I started on my own with literally no salary, no money coming in, and how I built my business. And today I have two companies, one in Singapore, one in India, and two representations in the US market. So you would find all of that in this book. On top, you will also find 3 worksheets on this in this ebook. Worksheets on how on what you should look at to plan yourself in your mind. So you could score yourself based on your mindset, and you would see how much you score and see where you stand in terms of becoming a successful entrepreneur. The cool thing is that you would also find my score in this worksheet, and you will know how much how based on my score how well or how badly I fared as an entrepreneur. So you will find the ebook on my website. The URL link is flashing on the screen. I'll put that in the description box below. You have to put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Well, before I go, thank you very much. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You will find my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. If you're looking to engaging me as a consultant in your company to help find solutions to your business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges, you could drop me a line on LinkedIn after you connected with me, or you could even write to me on the contact page of my website, the URL to which will be there in the description box below. Then we can communicate and get into a conference call to see how we can work together. So before I go, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my knowledge. So until next time, stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.